So, good morning guys. We're coming to the new project on the 5 Docks, Sydney. What's the plan? We removed the existing turf and the pavers, doing the concrete for the driveway and the car park, and we used the natural stone to pave it. As you can see, that's for the edge, and this is for the middle part of the stone. And also we remove the soil on top and laying the underlay and new turf on top of that. That's a small job, but I think it will look good when you finish the paving on the driveway. That should be looks good. What we do, we have a narrow access for the truck or to remove the soil. I ordered the bin, 2 small bins coming, a skip bin coming, and we fill it up and then remove the soil by that. And later we have to laying the concrete in the turf area. The other part is already concreted under, and just we remove the existing pavers on top. As you can see, that's concrete. Yeah, we have to remove this paver and laying the other one, same pattern. The middle different color, and the sides should be the charcoal color, as I showed you. We have to do the concrete base and then do the other. First, that part, as I showed you before in the video, it was the grass. We dig it down, remove the existing turf, and going down 150 millimeter. 100 should be the concrete slabs, and then we laying by the screed bed the stone on top of that. This was the concrete, and then that is the sander we lay down, and we make it level. We check by the laser level how height should be there, and check the levels. And this is the job for today. Now we leave it, see how is it for tomorrow. So guys, we finished the excavation yesterday, and today we installed the formwork by the timber in the side of the job. And also we have to laying the concrete for the base, like this one we have. We're following here for the new one that was the turf area before. We're laying the concrete for 100 mil all through and a slope, and the pavers will be finished by the existing concrete driveway there. By that we have 100 mil for the, as you can see, the line. We did check the line by laser level and the chalk line to showing where is the finish of the slab, the new one we added there. And this is 50 mil lower than the finish, because we have pavers on top of that, and the screed under about 20 to 30 mil under the pavers, and will be the finish the same level of the existing driveway. We dig down and we laying some sands we had from this paving sand from the existing pavers, and we laying down and we make it level. Also we order the concrete coming tomorrow at 9, and then we continuing to the pavers. What we do for the end of the job, we need to install a drain channel to collect the water and connect it to this drainage. It's here, and fix it through the concrete. We will buy one for 3-meter lines and then connect it there. And this is the edge. Just showing for the process, you understand how we're working on that. And for this area, it's already concreted and just be laying on top of that. And that's a paver. That's the client like Italian style. It's coming like this, different color matched together, and 20 mil each pavers. And we do the screed under and between them. The finish for this line will be up to the line under the second brick. We have a slope about 30 to 35 mil from this side to the other sides. Already should be have a 60 mil different, because it's a 6 meter. We need 60 mil different between that area and the other side to run off the water. But because we don't want to come up more than one brick, and also we have a roof on top, we don't have the straight rain, we can do it a bit lower than 6. And we decided to 30 mil or 35. Let's do how it's going on. And then we're following that way. The water goes there, and to the drain channel we added there and connected to the existing drainage. Also, we have the other part we have to do it. We need to laying underlay for that area for the new turf, and the Servater buffalo on top of that, and level it for the area. We laying the steel mesh should be in the middle of the concrete. We add some pavers under to lift up, have some space under, cover it by the concrete, and also the concrete on top. And as I showed you, we measure the height for the concrete by the chalk line. As you can see, the blue line is there. And then now the concrete mixer is coming. everything, sand and cement on the bed, bedding stuff. Check the level, make it in the sides, and then we continuing to the bottom. Mark the level. As you can see in the side, we first check the level there, set it, and then we continuing by this level. So after washing the stone by high pressure to clean the face of the stones, the natural one, now we do sealing by the sealer. It's make it shiny, more cleaner, and easy to clean later, especially in the garden or in the turf area. That should be easy. There is one layer of the seal on top of the stone, but we do it 2 coat and will be a bit thicker. This is the seal we use it. It's a sealer's choice, gold